This video is going to be reaction and discussion of the time we got reincarnated as a slime. Season 2, Part 2, Episode 8. The reaction is going to commence. Oh, there are some casualties. I'm shocked. Huh? Okay. The followers of Milim are strong. Oof. Oof. Right. Oh. What? Right. Oh? Right. 3? Okay. Right. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. 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 Huh. Right. Okay. You can, I assume. Right. Huh. Okay. Alright. So you're half-breeds. Right. Yeah. Indeed. Oh. Huh. Okay. This is interesting. Well, he did say he's as strong as Milim. I'm excited. Whoa. Okay. What are those subordinates? I guess they were beasts, whatever. Gopta, you gonna interfere? Oh. I mean, I assume... Oh, an artifact. Ooh. Ooh. Yep. I assume she's using her ace. Okay, she has another form. Huh. So she is the strongest. Yeah. Okay. Black lightning. And deleted from existence. This wasn't even a fight. So what about the dragon powers? I don't know. I don't think. Yeah? Marionette. Right. Oh? I mean, you could have stopped him. I guess you didn't know what's happening, but still. Hey, you get a cool sword. Oh, he's gonna explode. Okay. Kari. Wait, is that? I mean, but that. It is Caribris. You can have multiple Caribris? You actually. Are you not gonna show me any fight? He landed, please. Yeah, Caribris. How they were. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Wow, Gabriel actually looks cool. Right. Okay. So everyone banned against Caribris. Benimaru hasn't done anything. Yeah? I'm sure you did. Right. I wonder whether there is a human ever that's gonna be very powerful. Oh wow, everyone's banding together. Okay. Sure. This was an unexpected development. Wait, what? Benimaru? Hello? Right. Did he just launch... So... Did he just... No. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Wait. Does... Oh, he atomized it. Okay. Right. 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 There he is. Right. There he is. Okay. So you just part with them for the fun? Right. I don't think so. Uh, oh. Oh. Uh, everyone run away. Yeah. Right. Right. Yeah. Oh. Okay. All right. Wait. How strong is he? Okay, this was fun. Oh, you can't. So you're weaker than Benimaru. Right. Okay. Benimaru? Right. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of a fight. Sonic? Okay. Oh, the shield. Gelt? Okay. He tanked that. Okay, Gelt looks cool. Huh. Okay. That is unfortunate. So I guess Benimaru is the only true monster for now. Yeah. Okay. Right. How naive. Okay. So you spared some of them. For your sake. Oh, okay. I'm curious. Well, that's that. Right. Okay. We'll see, Gelt. Yeah. I really wish we saw more of the fight though. Okay, guess it's over. Okay, they completely went ahead and massacred everyone, didn't they? So there was a lot of flexing. Both Father Midley, I think is his name, something similar to that, and Benimaru. The clowns definitely showed that they were also much stronger than originally anticipated, but that was kind of expected. I've been spoiled that they were stronger than I originally thought, so I wasn't surprised that they escaped. And honestly, I don't know what that means, but I guess the war is won, and they completely and utterly crushed everyone because, yeah, the priests, which we learned that they're similar to the Dragonauts in some ways, completely, they're utter monsters. Just, I mean, yeah, I guess they were the only strong people within that army. And also, we know that the Dragon Followers, Midley, is apparently the strongest guy on the field. And he said that he could give Milim trouble. Now, I'm going to assume he boasted a little, and he's lying about that. But also, Benimaru said that if he fought him and he didn't try to kill, he might lose. So, yeah, and Benimaru just one-shotted the weakened version of Caribris. One-shotted. 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 Two. I guess one slice, one flame ball, which, yeah. I think everyone has powered up. Honestly, I'm shocked that Gabir wasn't more powerful. I really am, because if Benimaru powered up so much, why didn't everyone else power up? I mean, I guess everyone did power up. Wow, I guess... Wow, they were even weak. They're so much more powerful, and yet I guess that just proves that the clowns were so insanely powerful, and also how powerful the Midley and the Dragon Followers are. Just shows that they're insanely powerful. Wow, wow. I'm sorry, just Benimaru still one-shotting Caribris, just two-shotting, whatever. Did something else happen in this episode? I mean, I don't know. I feel like we got a lot of conclusions of fights quickly. We didn't really get any fights, really. But yeah, I don't know what's happening. I really don't know. I'm pretty positive that we're gonna be meeting the Demon Lords in the next episode. At least that's what I heard. I'm excited about that. We'll see what's the deal with it. And honestly, I would love to talk more, but I also just really want to watch the next episode right now. And what can I say? Benimar just apparently already has the power of a Demon Lord. He does, which probably means that other people do in the Forest of Tempest. And everyone else is also gonna get even stronger. Hankuro is a god, and now he's evolved as well. Yeah, all the Kijin are actual gods. And yeah, I don't know what to say. I actually don't know what's gonna happen. Yep, this was an enjoyable episode, but honestly, I feel like it was somehow still just setup. This episode in which they flex so much was setup. This anime does a lot of setup, and I really like it for it. And also, I'm glad that we got an episode in which we got to see more of everyone. We also got to see the strongest beast here, which is the strongest follower of whatever's the name of the demon lord of the beasts. But yeah, I am shocked. I am. I just really am. Yep. Well, this was a fun episode. I don't have anything else to say. That's really subscribe to my channel there, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.